this is set to IVO Media Channel. I'm Purinya Watana Parada. I'm an electrical engineer, and you are on the right place if you want to know about the electrical and electronic. Hit the red subscribe and the bell button, and let's begin. Hi, this is set to IVO Media Channel. Today I will review the graphics card from Gigabyte. This is a Gigabyte GTX1660 Super OC 6GB video card. Graphics processing using GeForce GTX1660 Super core clocks run at 1830 MHz. CUDA core 1408. Memory clock run at 1400 MHz. Memory size 6GB. Memory baud rate 192 bit. Card bus PCI Express 3.0 by 16 times. So multi-view 4 ATX PCB form factor. Run with the DirectX version 12, OpenGL 4.0. This card recommended power supply minimum 450 watts, and also this card has 3 output display port. Also, this card comes with 2 fans, memory GDDR 6GB, and come with 3 years warranties. The cost is $690 Australian dollar. It's not the top one and not the bottom one, and likely to be like a close to middle level. So let's have a look inside the box. This card in the electrostatic seal, and come with the quick guide, warranty card, and CD driver and utility. So let's see inside. As you can see, 2 big fans, 4 ports, and on this side, on the back of the PCB with the plastic case protect electronic component, and the PCI Express, and come with the extra power supply connector connected to the power supply. This card is more power directly from a power supply. So it comes with display port, one on the top display port, and another 2 display port from the bottom. The second one from the top is HDMI port, so you need display port or HDMI connector to connect to the monitor. Hey, if this is the first time you are watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click the ring bell. Thank you. The graphic cards are so expensive. I choose to unbox the Gigabyte GTX1660 Super because it is a good budget graphic card for a mid-range of the gaming video card in 2021. This video card came out in October 2019, but it's still very popular. Gigabyte claims that it is the best GPU cooling performance with the dual 90mm 3D active fans and composite copper heat pipes that direct touch the GPU to keep thermal low. Gigabyte turns the adjacent fans in the opposite direction to make the airflow in the same order, reduce the turbulence, smooth and enhance the airflow pressure to get better heat dissipation. So let's see how to install the GTX1660 into my own ATX case. Firstly, let's get my own graphic card out. There's a plastic lock on this card underneath, just hold it to unlock the card. The old card looks clean. Then clean the PCI Express slot and make some rooms. This graphic card needs 2 units of space on the PCI bus, so I have to take some non-necessary card out. Now let's line up the GPU and the PCI slotted bus and press down to make sure it's snapped in. It looks like it fits. It is not touching the RAM. Then I have to install the 8-pin power supply connector to this graphic card. And reinstall the existing cards. That's it for the installation. The next video will be the testing, making sure the driver will be working. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like and make sure you subscribe to the HS2IVO Media channel and hit the bell button so you can get notified in any of the video. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment in the section below, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.